Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine at your homes. Okay student, I am again here today. Today our new lecture is about English topic, lesson number 2. As you know that I am giving the lecture on chapter number 1 previously. Now I am here with the new chapter, chapter number 2, which is about this. Okay, now here we come. And this work is not for just for the one day, as you know in the previous week. This work is for the whole week, and you have to complete this work under the guideline of your parents and under the guideline of your teachers. Okay, today our date is April 13, and this is your homework for the 1 week, which is about the 18 April will be completed. Week 2, lecture 2 for the class 1. Today our topic is from the class 1. Today our lecture is, the lesson name is topic what I like, and the type of text is poem. It means that in this poem you can read about yourself, what do you like, means आपको क्या पसंद है, आप क्या करते हैं, उसके about, आप स्कूल में आके क्या करते हैं, उसके about ये poem होगी छोटी सी, जो कि बहुत easy है, आप easily इसको read कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, first of all we read is this text. Okay, open your course book, page number 18. As you know that this is our course book, and as you know that we can open this page number 18. Okay, page number 18. What I like, unit number 2. I like to read, I like to write, I like to run and fly a kite, I like to walk, I like to hike, I like to ride my new bike, I like to swim, I like to drive. One day I know I would like to drive. Okay, now here we come with our notebook work. As you know that, first of all we saw the page number 19 on the reading comprehension. As you can solve this on your course book, page number 19. As you know that you have to solve this page on the course book, reading comprehension. Match the words with the pictures. आपको ये, they are giving you a pictures. Look at that, and they are giving you some words. You have to match these words according to the words. First of all, the word is read. As you can see in the picture, there the student is reading. Look, there is student is reading, so that's why we have to match this picture with this word. Okay. Now you have to complete this word task like read, write, ride, and swim. You have to read this. Okay. Next, our task is color the picture and read the words. You have to color this picture and read the word that is given below, like R-E-A-G, read, R-I-D-E, write. Read means read something, and ride means to walk. Okay, here we come with our course notebook work. As you know that our notebook pattern is like that. When we are doing our notebook work, the first question is about the dictation, as you know that. Second question is about the word synonyms, means word antonyms, something similar or anything else. Third question about make sentences. Fourth question is about question answers, and the last work that we do on the notebook is our sound words. Okay, now question number 1 is about the dictation words. Some difficult words, as you can read on your notebook on the last week on the course notebook, and you have to do like that. This is your chapter, what I like. Okay, now come. The first word is read. R-E-A-G, read. F-L-Y, fly. L-I-K-E, like. W-R-I-T-E, write. S-W-I-M, swim. Read, fly, like, write, and swim. These are the dictation words, and you have to read these words again and again. Okay, one more time. Read, fly, like, write, and last word is swim. Have you cleared? Okay, now come on the next question, which is about the word synonyms. Synonyms are those words which have the similar sound. So that's why we call them as synonyms and synonyms. First one is new, means put something new, fresh, like, same, hike, slow, ride, sit on, run, race. These are the word synonyms. One more time. New, fresh, like, same, hike, slow, ride, sit on, last, run, race. Clear the concept? Okay, now come on the question number 3, which is about the make sentences. The first one is swim. Sentence, the word that is given to you is swim. As you can see, swim. The make sentence is when you will have to make a complete sentence, like in which you are giving the complete concept, like I can swim. You can swim. Next, these are the words that are given to you. You have to make sentences under the guideline of your parents and under the guideline of your tutor teachers. The next words are given: run, like, write, fly. This is your task. You have to make these words sentences with a complete make sentence. Again, concept clear is. Next, we move on to the next question, which is about the question answers. They are giving you 4 questions and you have to write down the answer of these questions. First, number 1 question is that, what do you do at school? What do you do at school? Question number 2 is, do you like to swim? Do you like to swim? Third one is, what do you like? What do you like? Question number 4 is about, can you fly a kite? Can you fly a kite? These are the questions and you have to write down the answer of these questions on your notebook under the guideline of your parents and teacher also. Next one question is about the sound words, which is given as the CH word. They are giving you a word CH and you have to make the 5 words with the CH sound, like chair and chips. Rest of others you have to make your own self. This is your task. You have to complete this task under the guideline of your parents and teacher from the 13 April to 18 April. This is your whole week task for your notebook. Now come on the course book again. Open your course book, page number 20. Page number 20, have you opened? Page number 20. This is your vocabulary page. Vocabulary, as I told you in the last lecture, vocabulary means some action word, some new word, which we have read on this chapter. Like an action is something one does. The word in red tells us that an action. These are action words. Action words are also called the verbs. Means that they have to say this. Action words are those words which we have to do some work. Means हमारा कोई काम करना वो आपका क्या है? Action words है. For example, I am teaching you. मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. मेरा पढ़ाना मेरे लिए एक action verb है. ठीक है, इसी तरह से they are giving you some examples, like 3 examples. My parents drive a blue car. As you can see, they are highlight a word drive. It means that this is her action, this is their action. My parents drive a blue car. Next one is I ride a bike. Birds make nest. This is the exercise. You have to solve this like that. Circle the correct action words for each sentence. I walk or ride to the park. Some action word they have to circle the action verb, like I walk means मैंने कोई काम किया, मैं walk किया, मैंने walk किया to the park, park के through, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको circle कर दिया first part को walk. Rest of others you have to solve these all. Okay, now move on the next chapter, next page 20 number 1, which is about the simple present tense. As I told you in the previous lecture, what is mean by the simple present tense? We have read 3 kinds of sentences like present, past and future. The first one is present tense, which is about the simple present tense. Means that you have to do some work in your present stage is known as the present tense. They are giving you an exercise there, like circle the words in the simple present tense. They are again showing some highlighted words like they are doing this work. Means these are also related to the action verbs. So they are giving you an exercise on the page number 20 is like that. Circle the verbs in the simple present tense. First one is about I brush my teeth every day. Brush. Here you can see brush is the word means which shows an action. Brush. Next one is we wash our hands before meals. Wash is showing a verb. Drink some milk. Drink. Drink is also an action verb like present in the simple present tense. Bring me a towel. Bring. Lana. Bring means they are showing an action. Okay, now come on the next page, which is about the punctuation. But do you have a kind of a concept about the punctuation? Punctuation is we can read as the word I is always written as a capital letter. They are giving you some examples. As you can see, punctuation words are those words which always begin with a capital letter, like I, which he always begin with a capital letter I. I like to walk, I like to ride, I like to run and fly a kite. As you can see, the first word is always capital, and the proper definition of the punctuation is the word I is always written as a capital letter. Now, this is an exercise. Read the sentences, circle the capital I. I am John. They can circle the word I because it's always big capital letter. So as they given you instructions, circle the capital I. I circle हो जाएगा. I am John. I live in big city. You have to circle I in the second one. Third one will be I. Fourth one is again M capital, and I is also capital. So that's why we capital circle the word capital letter. Okay, now come on the page number 23. Read the sentence, circle the letter that should be in capital. They are giving you some exercise, like they are giving you small words, and you have to circle those words which will be in the capital letter. My name is Anne. As you can see, the letter of a name is always being a capital. So that's why they are circled. The A means Anne. As you can see in the second one, I see a blue kite. I capital. Andy lives in Dubai. A Andy A capital. Dubai G capital. I went to the park. I capital. And again the next one task is about read the words below. They begin with the CH sound. As you can see, there are some given you some words which always begin with the CH letter. As you can see, like chin, chair, cheese, chick, chill, chin, chip, choose, chop, and chocolate. They are giving the pictures of something. You have to write the missing letters. Like first one is about the chin. They are showing an arrow which is move on to chin. Like they are missing two letters, like CH with a bigger letter. To complete this picture, we add CH. In this all, we have to add CH to all to make a complete word, like chin, chair, cheese, and chocolate. Complete this one. Okay, now here as you can see, this is your listening page, and you know that you are not in school, so that's why you have to complete this task under the guideline of your parents, as they are saying that listen to the sentence, take correct pictures as given. When you are in the school, you have to listen the poem that will be listened to you, but now you are at your home, so that's why we are not listening to you. So page number 25 is about the speaking dialogue between the Alicia and Sally. Okay, now come on the next page, which is about the page number 26. Okay, this is about yourself. Like myself, I am giving you a task on last week. As you can see, myself. This is also again the new one task which is about yourself. As you can see. Okay, now start. Fill in the blanks with words about yourself. Remember, a name begin with a capital letter. The word I is also written as the capital letter. Hello, my name is Ali. As you can write on your name. I am 7 years old. I like to study. I study in class 1. Complete this filling the blanks. Okay, now here with the review time, which is about we have read in this chapter. We read in this chapter about the action verbs. Okay, simple present tense number 2. Again, the concept of the capital letter I. Sentence begin with the capital letters. You have read these all action verbs in this chapter. Now here is again a task for you, which is about the CH words. You have to write down the 6 words begin with the capital letter CH. Okay, now this is your project work task that you have to be completed. Like this is like a myself. Okay, you have to complete this under the guideline of your teachers and parents. Like all about me. My name is, you can write your own name. I am dash year olds. I like to play with dash. I like to eat dash. One day I like to dash. You have to complete this task under the guideline of your parents and teacher. So students, this is all about the chapter number 2, which is about from the course book, and this is also the work of from the notebook. You have to complete this task under the guideline of your parents and the teacher. So thank you so much. I will come here with a new chapter on the next week, and this is the task for you. You have to complete this time. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Okay students, this is your grammar book. As you know that, open this grammar book. This is your grammar book, I hope you have got it your all notebooks and books from the course book and Imran Kitab Ghar. If you don't have, then contact to school. Contact number is given. Okay, now here we can read. This is your grammar book, and we are reading the chapter number 1, which is about the alphabet. Do you have any concept about the alphabet? What is mean to say? As you can read in the KG class, like A, B, C, these are the alphabets. As you can read now, letter used for reading and writing are called alphabet. Thus, those letters which we used for reading and writing are called alphabets. As we know that the English alphabet start with the letter A and end with Z. These are the 26 letters in the English alphabet. These letters of English alphabets are as under. They are giving you A to Z letters. These are 26 letters. Now here is an exercise. They are giving you a task. Arrange and write the capital alphabets in order. They are giving you the letter irregular way. You have to complete this task according to the A to Z alphabets with a proper order. Like first one letter is about the A, you have to write A. Then next one is B, C, D, and all that. Complete this task. Now come on the next question, which is about the which letter is the first alphabet. Means they are asking you a question like which letter is the first letter. First alphabet कौन सा है आपने वो बताना है, उसका आंसर राइट करना होगा. इसी तरह से which is the last alphabet, last alphabet कौन सा होगा आपने उसके बारे में बताना है. And last question is about how many alphabets are there in total. Total amount, number of alphabets, you have to write down the answers. Like these are 26 alphabets. Okay, now come on the next chapter, which is about the types of English letters. As you can see, these are all the capital letters and these are all the small letters. You can see. Okay, now open your book page number, grammar book page number 6, which is about separate the capital letters and small letters. These are giving you some letters like small letters and capital letters, and you have to make them with the simple and same letters match with the proper scale. Like C, as you can see, where is the C? You have to match with the C letter. Complete this task. Write down your name in the capital letter. You have to write down your own name with the capital letters. Okay. Next thing, write down the lower case of these letters. They are giving you the capital letters and you have to write down the answer in the small alphabets. This is your task. You have to complete chapter number 1 and grammar chapter number 2 till the whole week. Okay, thank you.